He's a virgin Illinois. DJ and I have played here so many times with other bands, you know, with Rubik's Cube and whatnot. But Ben's first time. Ben, are you having a great time here at the Mohegan side?
It's a great time. How could you not? Well, let's take it back to that time when the clothes smiled and the music smiled. Our clothes, I wouldn't say our clothes smiled back then. Yeah, our clothes had resting bitch face. We had flannels and like dungarees on and stuff, so it was like, it wasn't exactly, you know, the 80s. Trying to bridge that gap a little bit. But I'll tell you what we did do. We rode dirt bikes, we went to the diner, we played frisbee in the park with the women, and we went down the street in the back of a pickup truck with a little baby pool in it, splishing and splashing, getting your dunked on any way you could. And that's how we do it in Mohegan County, New Jersey. Not ashamed of it. Little splish splash. Take it how you can get it. And this time, we gave you a video where the blue garage door lifted up. And we do a knuckleheads from New Jersey, hanging out, doing all those things I just mentioned. And that video really resonated with everybody because it was #1 on Down TV for months, literally months at #1. So go figure. Be true to yourself and it'll resonate, I guess, right? This is the one that started